So friends, let's see today's lovely potato bhaji which you can have along with dosas. It's super simple. So now in my pan I've heated 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohori or rye. Once they begin to splutter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, followed by a few curry leaves that I've just chopped fine. Next goes in 1.5 teaspoon of urid dal or udid dal. Then I'm going to add 1 green chili chopped fine. Now I like to use the light green chilies which are less spicy. Now I'm going to fry all of this really well till the chilies are nicely fried so that they flavor the oil really nicely. So they get this little bit of a whitish tinge on them, so fry them well. Now I've taken 5 cloves of garlic and chopped them fine. I'm going to add that. Again, fry everything really well. Next, we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder, followed by half a teaspoon of asafotedia or hing. This is 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine. And now you're going to fry everything really well till the onion turns translucent. Now I'm going to add 2 medium-sized potatoes that I've boiled, peeled and cubed. Now with the potatoes, what I do is I wash the potatoes really well, put them into my pressure pan, add about a cup of water, and then I cook it on a high till I get 1 whistle, and then I simmer it for about 5 minutes. Once the cooker cools down or the pressure pan cools down, I take the potatoes out immediately, let them come to room temperature, and then peel them and cube them. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Mix everything really nicely together. This is a lovely, it is a kind of a semi-curry recipe that goes very well with dosas. And now I'm going to just flavor it with some salt to taste. And I also like to add just a pinch of sugar. So again, mix everything really nicely together. And now all we have to do is just cover and cook this on a low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes till the water dries up and there's just a little bit of liquid left, like this. So we don't want it very watery, but we want to have a little bit of a thick gravy. So do taste it for salt, etc., and just adjust it according to your taste. And then I just like to add a little bit of coriander for garnish. You can turn the heat off and that's it. You can also squeeze some lemon juice on top. So this goes very well with dosa. So I was making dosas the other day, and I'll leave my link for how I make my dosa batter and my dosas. So this with some lovely coconut chutney. I'll leave a recipe for that too as an ideal light meal or a breakfast. So I hope you liked today's short and sweet recipe. Do give it a try. And go to my description box below this video. I'll leave a link to many other recipes too. You can check that same in the comment section. And I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshita signing off. Take care. Bye.